Not all compounding pharmacies are built the same. At ProRx Pharma, quality isn't a department, it's our foundation. We operate as an FDA-registered 503B outsourcing facility under current good manufacturing practice standards and FDA oversight. That means every system, every process, every batch is built within a rigorously controlled environment. Sterile and non-sterile preparations are compounded for clinics, telemedicine providers, wellness practices, and med spas wide, with the same disciplined structure behind every order. Quality isn't something we bolt on at the end. It's how we start. It's how we operate. It's who we are. ProRx Pharma, precision compounding and quality.